In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the fill color of a shape or text frame in Adobe InDesign. We'll go step by step, keeping things simple and clear, so by the end you'll know exactly how to select an object and update its interior color using swatches or a custom mix. First, let's start by selecting the box you want to change. Make sure you're using the selection tool, which is the solid black arrow in the tools panel, usually on the left side of your screen. If you're currently using something like the type tool or the direct selection tool, you'll want to switch back to the regular selection tool. You can do that by clicking the black arrow or by pressing the V key on your keyboard. Once that tool is active, move your cursor over the shape or text frame you'd like to recolor and click once. You should see a bounding box appear around it, confirming that it's selected. Now that your object is selected, you need to tell InDesign that you want to change its fill, not its outline. In the Tools panel, look for two overlapping squares, one solid and one with a hollow center. The solid square controls the fill color, and the one with the hollow center controls the stroke or the border. Click on the solid square to activate the fill. You'll know it's active because it will appear in front of the stroke icon or have a highlight around it. This step is important. If you accidentally leave the stroke active instead, you'll end up changing the border color instead of the inside of your shape or text frame. With the fill icon active, you're ready to choose a color. A very straightforward way to do this is by using the swatches panel. If you don't see it on your screen, go up to the top menu and choose Window, then Color, and then Swatches. This will open a panel with a list of preset colors and any custom swatches already in your document. Make sure your object is still selected, then simply click on any swatch in the list. As soon as you click, the fill color of your selected shape or text frame will update to match that swatch. If you want more control and prefer to mix your own color, you can use the color panel instead. To open it, go again to the top menu, choose Window, then Color, and then Color. The color panel gives you sliders or numeric fields for different color modes such as CMYK or RGB, depending on your document settings. With your object still selected and the fill icon active, adjust the sliders or type in specific values to create the exact color you want. As you move the sliders, you'll see the fill color of your selected object update in real time, which makes it easy to fine-tune until it looks right. Once you're happy with the color, you're done. You've selected your box, activated the fill, and applied either a swatch or a custom color. You can repeat these same steps for any other shapes or text frames in your document to keep your design consistent.